What's the meaning of capon? Capon. Capon.
Capon. Capon. Capon is a type of poultry that is castrated when young to enhance its meat quality. This process results in a bird with a larger, fattier, and more flavorful meat compared to other types of chicken. Capons are typically raised for about 16 weeks before being sold for consumption. They are usually roasted or braised and served as a main dish for holiday meals or special occasions. Due to their high fat content, capons have a rich and juicy flavor, which makes them a popular choice among food enthusiasts and chefs.